All of you guys have been charged with.
Judge Fleischer wastes no time, telling defendants they're giving up their rights, trial, appeal, even immigration protections. That's massive. Imagine being in their shoes. Would you sign away all that just to walk free sooner?
Criminal offenses. It appears all of you guys have worked out agreements to end these cases today. You all give up a lot of rights by entering into these agreements. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you guys are not citizens or possible immigration consequence, you can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You guys give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty, you cannot change this or undo this. Is this what you guys want to do?
Sir.
Okay, so we will go through each of you guys to figure out what's going on. So are you Mr. Crutchfield?
Sir.
So Mr. Crutchfield, you are charged with the offense of criminal trespass. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement where they're offering you 66 days in jail, credit for the 66 days that you've done. Is this what you want to do, sir?
Sir.
How do you plead to the offense, sir? I will find you guilty, sentence you to the agreement. Let's see, where are you? Now, Mr. Costley, you are charged with attempted burglary of a motor vehicle. I don't have this up yet. Oh, oh, he was on probation.
Yes, sir.
What have we worked out on Mr.?
30 days.
Okay.
And 3 days. I put it on the. Where is it? It's right there in the bottom.
Okay. So it's 3 days in jail, credit for the 43 days that you've done. Is it true or untrue that you violated your probation, Mr. Costley? I will find that it's true. Sentence you to three days in jail. I will give you credit for the 43 days that you've already done. Your probation is hereby revoked. It will now reflect as a conviction on your record, sir. Lastly, Mr. Webb, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail. And
Now comes the heat. Mr. Webb faces his second DWI. The judge warns him that drunk driving kills people daily, and you can feel the frustration. Should repeat offenders automatically lose their license for good, no second chances?
you're a $2,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement where they're offering you 3 days in jail, credit for the 71 days that you've done. Is this what you want to do, sir? So it looks like he's got 2 DWIs.
Sir, the second one upon completion of this plea will be dismissed, Your Honor.
Okay.
But he has a felony pending also.
Out of the same transaction as the second DWI. Your Honor, I just want the record to reflect on costly. It's just on the technicals, paragraphs 2, 10, and 19.
Yeah, for
Not
sure.
the new law violation.
I reflected that in the paperwork as well, but just for it to be known.
So, but I'm with Webb, we're pleading on the 718,
Yes.
right? And then the new one will be dismissed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't know, have you let the felony court know to see how, if and how it'll impact the case if it's theirs?
Yes, Judge, I'm notified. So it probably has been notified of the plea.
Okay.
Order in the court.
I'm going to suspend your license for a year, Mr. Webb. Do not drive until you get a license. And I'm going to tell you, I don't know how many DWIs you have, but I'm going to tell you that anytime you get pulled over, they're going to look up your record. They're going to see DWI, continuous family violence. Do you think they're going to be nice to you, sir? Don't get into a car. Every day someone dies from a DWI in Harris County. Every damn day. And here you are with 2 DWIs. Stop endangering our public. All we want our streets to be safe, Mr. Webb. Good luck.
Thank you very much. In the middle.
Mr. Chavez,
Sir,
how's jail?
not too great.
Good. It's not supposed to be fun.
Sure,
You know why you're here.
sure.
You've picked up an evading arrest. You're facing now up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. Here's the kicker. You're on felony probation as well. So what happens when you pick up a new case while you're on felony probation? That's exactly right. Please.
On July 1st, 2024, officers on patrol observed the defendant loitering and soliciting in front of the Family Dollar in a high drug trafficking area in Harris County, Texas. Officers spoke with the clerk who stated the defendant hadn't conducted any business with the store, and management wanted all persons loitering and soliciting, not conducting any business with the store, trespassed. The deputy in uniform attempted to make contact with the male loitering and ordered the male to walk over to
Okay. Who's trying to make contact with him?
a officer that initially observed him loitering and soliciting, and then spoke with management at the Family Dollar.
Go back a little bit. Read me again exactly what happened again.
Officers on patrol observed the defendant loitering and soliciting in front of Family Dollar in a high drug trafficking area in Harris County, Texas.
Okay. What does loitering and soliciting mean? Right, because you're saying he's soliciting. How? Because that's a conclusory statement. Please.
Well,
Okay,
the DIMS
you're doing great,
did not
but-
state what exactly he was doing, but I would assume
And I have a problem with that.
hanging around and trying to solicit business in front of the Family Dollar that was not right. And even after the officers observed him just hanging around and soliciting other people for business, then they spoke with the Family Dollar management, who then said that he had not gone into Family Dollar. He was just hanging out all day. Well, not all day, that's my words, I apologize.
That's,
But he was just hanging
can't add that
out.
in, because that's one of my concerns is how long is he there? Has he actually spoken to any people? Because it's not been listed in there. Is he begging for money, right? Or is he doing something worse?
Judge, I think ultimately in this case, what the clerk was wanting him to do was, what the officer do.
Get out.
was Trespass. So in the course of trying to issue a trespass, he's beginning to evade. It's not the lawyering. or-
Sure.
They see him there.
I get it.
They ask the store, hey, do you want here? No, I want to trespass. So in an attempt to give him that trespass warning, he begins to evade. That's the PC. It's 125 yards. But with regards to whether there was a lawful reason to detain him, there was. It's just a trespass.
Yeah,
You're
I
just
don't,
trying to issue a trespass.
hey, you're on notice now.
Sir,
If you go back, what's going to happen?
I'm going to jail.
Correct. They will now hit you with a criminal trespass. You're on felony probation. Why on earth are you allegedly loitering and allegedly soliciting? Look at me. What are you doing in life?
I have to before I stop.
Stop. There are other ways to do things. Okay? You're on, look at me. You're on felony probation. They have their eyes on you in every respect. No one likes you. Everyone wants to see you fail. Don't give them a reason.
Sir,
Do you understand? I'm going to find no probable cause in your case now. But look,
sir,
you're on notice now. Don't go back to this location. I don't know what's going to happen in your felony case, but they're trying to sink their teeth into you, if you know what I mean. All right. Good luck.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks.